Hey everybody. So recently my son's been having some trouble with multiplication in school, or rather the school is having difficulty teaching it, I guess. So I went back 35 years in my mind and remembered how I was taught. Because you can only get so far with memorization. We memorize 2 times 2, right? Which is 4. And we go as high as 12 times 12, which is 144. But these kids, 4 times 4 is 16, so they're memorizing these. But what happens is they lose the ability to memorize multiplication when you get up into the double digits, right? So there is a foolproof way to multiply large numbers, as large as you can get. And it doesn't even matter how big the number is. This is how it's done. So let's say you want to take 22 times 22, right? Well, you're not going to memorize that. So you have to figure it out, right? So you go 2 times 2 is 4, right? So you go bang, you hit that 2 there. And then you take this 2, same 2, and you hit that 2. 2 times 2 is 4, right? So now you want to take that 2 and multiply the 2, right? But first, you have to add a 0. 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 2 is 4. Then what you do now is you add these up. So that's 4 plus 0 is 4. 4 plus 4 is 8. And then 4 plus 0 is 4. So 22 times 22 is 484. Let's try it again. Let's go with 41 times 89. Okay? What we do is we start with the 9. Start on the right side. 9 times 1 is 9. 4 times 9. What's 4 times 9? 36, right? 36. So you're going to do 8 times 1, 8 times 4 next, but you have to put the 0 in there. 8 times 1 is 8. What's 8 times 4? Well, 8 plus 8 is 16. 16 plus 16 is what? It's 32, right? So 9 plus 0 is 9. Excuse me. 6 plus 8. Well, 8 plus 8 is 16. Minus 2 is 14, right? 3 plus 1 is 3. So you got to carry the 1 whenever you end up with a 2-digit answer. You have to carry the left number, right? So 6 plus 8 is 14. So you leave the 4, carry the 1. 3, 4, 5, 6. So there's 6. 3 plus 0 is 3. 41 times 89 is 3,649. You see how that works? And you can double check all this with your calculator. But let's try another double digit. We'll go on to a triple digit here. So we'll go with 36 times 21, right? 1 times 6 is 6 one time, right? 1 times 3 is 3. Put a 0. 2 times 6 is 12. 2 times 3 is 6. Plus 1, 7, right? 6 plus 0 is 6. 3 plus 2 is 5. 7 plus 0, 7, right? There's your answer. 36 times 21 is 756. And we can check all this stuff with your calculator if you don't believe me. But you see how it works out every time? Okay, well, I'll tell you what we'll do. We'll get out my calculator here and check it. All right, let's check. Now, I just did all those by hand. And I'm going to get out my calculator on my laptop here. Okay. 22 times 22 times 22 equals 484. Okay, I got that one right. What's the next one? It is 41 times 89. 41. Are you guys checking this with me? 41. Where's the times thing on here? Times 89. So 89. It's almost faster to do it by hand. 3649. You guys checking this with your calculators? 3649 is the right answer. Okay, and we'll do the next one. 36 times 21. 36 times 21 equals 756. 756. So I got them all right. So if you don't have a calculator, or you're in school and you need to figure this stuff out, that's how you do it. So you can watch these videos over and over again. Let's do a triple digit one here, and the same rule applies. You simply go, okay, let's just go with this 1 2 3 or 112 times 48. Okay, so now we're going to do it 3 times, right? 2 times 8, 16, right? Carry the 1. 1 times 8 is 8, plus 1 is 9. So that's how that works, right? 2 times 8 is 16, so you have a 6, but you have to carry the 1. You don't put 16 down here. 8 times 1 is 8, plus 1 is 9, but you don't have to carry anything. So 8 times 1 is 8 again, right? Alright, so we put a 0 here. 2 times 4, rather 4 times 2 is the same as 2 times 4. That's 8, right? 4 times 1 is 4, 4 times 1 is 4, right? So we add these now. 6 plus 0, not adding anything. 9 plus 8, well 8 plus 8 is 16, plus 1 is 17, right? 8 plus 4 is 12, plus 1 is 13, right? 4 plus 1 is 5. So the answer is 5,376. But now let's go with 1 2 3 times 1 2 3. Well, now we've added another number down here on the bottom. So this adds another level to the equation. All right, so it's 3 times 3. What's that? That's 9, right? 2 times 3 is 6. 3 times 1 is 3, right? Now we got to add a 0. 2 times 3, well, that's 6. 2 times 2, that's 4. 2 times 1, that's 2, right? So now we've got a third number here that we didn't have before. So we got to add 2 zeros now, right? Of course it's right, because I just told you it's right. Right? So the first thing we do is add 2 zeros. It's important to keep these numbers in line here. You don't want to have them scattered, because now you're getting a row of numbers that needs to be added, right? So here we have 1 times 3 is 3. 1 times 2 is 2. 1 times 1 is 1, right? Now we add all these up. 9, 0, 0, that's still 9. 6 and 6 plus 0, well 6 plus 6 is 12, right? 2, carry the 1. 3 plus 1 is 4, plus 4 is 8. 9, 10, 11. Carry the 1. 2 plus 2 is 4. 5, because we add the 1. And then this is just 1 here. So the answer is 15,129. But I'm going to go to my calculator now just to make sure that we didn't make any mistakes. Okay, so you guys get your calculator out. 1 2 3 times 1 2 3 equals 15,129. So I'm right, and that's how you do that. Okay, so watch this video over and over again so that you can learn how to do your times tables manually on paper the way we did it 35 years ago. And it just works. This way of doing your times tables works every time it's tried, and it's 100% accurate, and it's very simple. I know I went over this rather quickly, but yeah, just go ahead and watch it again. See if you can get going on these formulas yourself, because really, math is the only thing you can count on besides God 100% of the time. So anyway, thanks for watching, and God bless you as you try and figure this out.